Welcome back to Product Critique, where we explore the best food products on the market. Today, we're diving into a fantastic seasoning that elevates your chicken dishes to the next level: GranAroma Rotisserie Chicken Seasoning. If you're looking for the best rotisserie chicken flavor cooked hot at home, then you're in the right place. GranAroma Rotisserie Chicken Seasoning comes in a generous 11.2-ounce bottle, offering you ample seasoning for numerous meals. This delightful blend is not just flavorful, it's also savory and home-style, bringing that comforting taste of rotisserie chicken right to your kitchen. With hints of citrus and a perfect balance of spices, this seasoning promises to enhance your chicken dishes, whether you're roasting, grilling, or even air-frying. Let's take a closer look at what makes GranAroma's seasoning so special. The ingredients include salt, garlic, onion, a variety of spices, and even orange peel and green bell pepper. This unique combination is what gives the seasoning its vibrant flavor profile. The saltiness enhances the natural taste of the chicken, while the citrusy notes add a refreshing twist that makes every bite burst with flavor. Using this seasoning is a breeze. Simply sprinkle it generously on your chicken before cooking. Whether you're preparing a whole chicken or just chicken thighs, it's recommended to use about 1 to 2 teaspoons for the best results. You can easily adjust the amount based on your personal taste preference, but be aware that this seasoning is potent, so less can often be more. Now, let's talk about cooking methods. GranAroma Rotisserie Chicken Seasoning works beautifully with various cooking techniques. If you're roasting your chicken in the oven, preheat it to around 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Apply the seasoning, and roast until the chicken is golden brown and cooked through. Alternatively, for those who prefer grilling, you can apply the seasoning to your chicken before placing it on the grill for that perfect charred flavor. Even air fryers can be used. Just season your chicken, pop it in, and let the magic happen. In conclusion, GranAroma Rotisserie Chicken Seasoning is a must-have for anyone looking to replicate that beloved rotisserie chicken flavor at home. With its delicious blend of spices and hints of citrus, it's versatile enough to be used in various dishes, not just chicken. If you want to spice up your cooking, this seasoning is definitely worth a try. Thank you for joining us today on Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more amazing food product reviews. Happy cooking, and we'll see you next time.